Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, today is Patch Tuesday for Windows. That means that there's security updates plenty. So what does the Patch Tuesday updates look like this month? Of course, you'll see your Patch Tuesday updates depending on Windows 10 or Windows 11 by going to Windows Updates and checking updates, of course. These fix this month, well, the total flaws that are fixed is 84. That is, of course, for all products. It's not just Windows. Windows has less than that. This includes Edge, includes Microsoft Office, and all the other products of Microsoft. But the total fixes are 84 security flaws. What is particularly important is that there is 10 day that is actively exploited by bad guys. That is fixed in here. So that means that there is already, and somebody already knows out there, how to exploit one of the critical flaws that Windows has. And this, of course, is very important to fix, because when they know about it already, that means that a lot of activity is going on to try to exploit this for sure. If we take all 84, we have 39 elevation of privilege vulnerabilities, 2 security feature bypass features or vulnerabilities. We have 20 remote code execution vulnerabilities, 11 information disclosure flaws, and 8 denial of service vulnerabilities, and 4 spoofing flaws. Like I said, it's not just Windows, it's several other systems also, but 84 is a pretty big number. And of course, in there's a lot of stuff that needs to be done to make sure that you stay safe on your system. If I look at the list of fixes, one of the of all the things in here, I'm just looking at what are critical here. If you have Microsoft Office, do update. There's a critical flaw there. Hyper-V, Windows Hyper-V, there's a critical flaw there. Active Directory, there's a Windows Crypto API spoofing vulnerability that is critical. Of course, there's a lot of important flaws that have Windows kernel elevation of privileges. When they are important, it is important to fix them, but it's not as bad because it simply means that the vulnerabilities are more difficult to exploit. Often they need to have access to your computer. Windows point-to-point tunneling protocol, critical, and so a lot of things to fix in there. So anyways, mostly because of the 0 day that is actually actively exploited, that it is important to actually fix what's in here. So make sure that you update your system on Windows 10 and Windows 11 and to keep your system safe. That is the best way to stay safe. Once again, and I'll repeat it and repeat it, if you think antivirus is there to protect you against that, it's not, and it doesn't work against that. It is a known fact. And it is really the updates that are the number one way for you to stay safe. After that, it's what you do. Antivirus is not even in the top 10 of what keeps you safe on a computer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.